It's always better to make something happen than to it happens. Good, bad, something, nothing, they all happen just because of us. Some people say these things happen to them, it means bad things happen to them. Some people say bad things happen to them so often. Some people say they are involved. Some people say something or someone is there to blame. And some people say people create this. But what I want to tell, it's always better to make something happen, either good or bad. But it's always better to make something happen than to it happens. Why I'm telling? Because when you do not do anything else, it means it happens. And when you do and you make it happen, and if it happens bad, so you can rectify this bad thing. And if it happens good, it means you can modify it and you can go up to the next level and you can make it better. Why I'm telling you, let me give you an example, then I can tell you through this. 2 days ago, a couple of days ago, I started from Jaipur. My bro, it means my brother, came and he dropped me. What happened? We just started from Jaipur, and train came at at one station. So as we got on the train, so train was to station only for 3 minutes. So what happened? My bro and my wife and my daughter, they all three got on the train. They had started before me. As they got on the train, I told them that seat number, but they did not listen to me because they were in hurry. They just got engrossed in putting some pieces of baggage and luggage in the train, it means on the train. So they did not listen to me, and my wife just went in. I felt they may have been in hurry, so that's why they have gone in. I also did, I also got on the train, but in meanwhile one family also got on. I just was left behind. When they got on, it took already 3 minutes. As I got on, train started, and as train started, I told my brother to get down, but he couldn't listen to me because he was a bit ahead. I shrieked at him. I shouted. I told, please get down, but he did not listen because they both were inside. When my brother realized the train had started, he came out of the cabin and tried to get down, but train already had caught the speed. So I had two options. Either I was to tell my bro to come along with me up to the Sawai Madhopur, because from Jaipur to Sawai Madhopur it takes 1 hour 45 minutes or near about 2 hours. Or I had another option, that I was to pull the chain, and I did it. I pulled the chain, and it was written over there, if without reason you pull the chain, it means you are gonna be sent behind the bars for 2 years, or 1,000 you have to pay. And I thought, why not to pay 1,000? Because if I hadn't pulled the chain, so my bro would have had to come along with me up to the Sawai Madhopur, which is near about 1 hour 45 minutes far away from the Jaipur. And already Corona is going on. I was not to take the risk. I made it happen. I pulled the chain. I knew that it was a kind of crime, but it was not this much big crime. I knew that I made something mistake. I made any mistake, but it was not this much that I was unable to bear it. It was bearable. So it's always better to make something happen than to it happens. Why I'm repeating it? Suppose if I hadn't pulled the chain, so what would have happened? My bro would have had to come along with me up to the Sawai Madhopur, and from Sawai Madhopur to the Jaipur, there was a train or not, we didn't know. And suppose if he had come along with me up to that place, so would he have got this train soon? No, he wouldn't have. So I managed it, I made it happen. So in our life, lots of things happen, and people are unable to take the decision and they let it go. When they let the decisions go, it means these decisions happen. We are unable to make the decisions happen. And once we do not make the decisions happen, so they are always bad. Because you have not made them do. They happen themselves. But if we make the decisions happen, so what will happen? In this way you have the choices, and you are making the things happen, and they are becoming bad, so you can rectify them. If they are becoming good, you can make them better, because you will get the experience through that. Now I have got the experience that whenever train starts, don't hurry up, don't jump, because I have seen once when train started and one of the boys jumped, he came in the train and he died on the spot. This incident has happened, and I have seen. I'm the victimized, so I do know how I managed, how my elder brother managed, because we made the things happen. If my brother had jumped, he would have got hurt. He also played cool, and I also played it cool. And whenever any situation happens, so it means we are the cause of that situation. So massive thoughts also are followed by massive actions. If you have the greatest ideas, so you need to work upon the greatest actions also, and you can make them happen. Thank you guys for listening to me. If you have liked this video, so do subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice time ahead.